to license it.
Meep, meep.
Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers. I'm Andrew, coming to you from the beautiful alpine country of Switzerland. This is a special mail haul video which I'm very happy to present to you as the restrictions of our latest COVID lockdown are just now starting to relax. I live in the northeast city of Basel. I have to order all of my hobby supplies from eBay and Amazon, and they don't deliver to my non-European Union country. This is the Rhine River. Basel on the left and right across the Rhine are both France and Germany, but the borders have been locked down since Christmas, so it's been nearly 6 months since I've been able to pick up my mail. That's about how long I've been waiting. So this is a special Hallelujah edition of a mail haul. This first package, which I was anxious to get at, comes from a friend of the channel, StoopidKool Diekast. I've already written a few times to Zach to apologize for the lateness in my responding to his gift, explaining all the same things that I just told you. He writes, "Hey Andrew, I can't express enough how appreciative I am to have your support. I've been watching your channel for a while, and like I said, I love the ambiance and the chill mood it gives off. I found the Porsche in my collection and instantly thought of you and that black Cobra you did. Definition of classy. So I thought I'd do the same thing with the Porsche. I really hope this makes it to you in good time and hope you like it. P.S. Hope you dig the red Cobra as well." Love them both, Zach, and they did get to me in good time, just not onto my hobby desk. And you know what the definition of classy is? It's you sending me a gift all the way from your place to mine. Thanks, bud. I put a link in the description for Zach's channel. Get all subbed up there, and I hope you will here too, so you don't miss upcoming special videos like JDC's Free the Ferraris Invitational and a July 1st all-Canadian diecast build-off. Next is a package from Alabama and TWYCE Diecast, where I was the grand prize winner in one of David's very generous giveaways in January. I just got it now. David, we need to talk about the shipping costs incurred here. Living overseas makes me ineligible for most giveaways from the U.S., but not with David. He gets the trophy for the biggest heart in the community. Nice little note, just says, "Andrew, thanks for being part of this," from David. And in the first package, Hot Wheels Exotics, I got a 2016 Bugatti Chiron, Aston Martin V8 Vantage, a Lamborghini Veneno, Lotus Esprit, and a 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. Second package, hand-packed by David, all Bugatti Chirons. And believe it or not, this is my very first bone shaker ever. I don't have any new cars in blister packs, and so that's a special one. And here's another bone shaker, but it's the ID version. Very cool. This is called Time Taxi. And I didn't know this particular casting either. Living over here as I do, I just don't see these. We don't have big box stores. There's the ID version of the same one, and the third Time Taxi in this super duper boxed package. Outstanding. David, thank you for all of these thoughtful cars that you put into this grand prize. And it's not over yet. There's a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento to go to my Lambo collection. Check this out. 5, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 cars in a grand prize. David, thank you so very much for that. Now for all the cars and the build-offs that I've missed in the last 5 or 6 months, starting with the snow track with no tracks from the Three Blind Mice in January. That's how big my mail backlog is. Four Horsemen Invitational with the mod rod was from February. This one was to be cut down and made into a convertible. Just got it. Three Blind Mice, February. Hudson Hornet for the Daytona 500. I did find another one, and I participated. But I missed Go Bears Monte Carlo Three Blind Mice build-off from March. Also the El Camino from the Four Horsemen in March. And the Four Horsemen sponsored a Dodge Charger Invitational in April. All of you, I sincerely apologize. I want to be a team player, and I intended to. That's why I ordered all of these. Hope you understand. I just got them now. The Diecast Mafia sponsored a shop truck, and I did find a twisted axle Chevy, a 69 special in my collection, but these are 4 other cars that I had ordered in order to have a little better choice. Just got them in the mail, but I did put up a video for that one. And then there was also OPA'S very first invitational, and it was a Tootsie Toy. He's the Tootsie Toy King. OPA, I love you. You were one of my first and have always been one of my strongest supporters, so I truly wanted to participate here, and I ordered this way back when you made the announcement about the invitational, and it just came, and I'm so sorry that I missed that. I'll do the Tootsie Toy in time. I've taken an interest in a couple of steampunk video channels in the last couple of months, and as a matter of fact, I ordered these back in October from AliExpress or Wish or one of these Asian mail order sites, and they made a mistake on my order, and they sent me double or triple of everything that I asked for. So I got gears and gizmos and doodads and keys and badges for steampunk builds until the cows come home. It was kind of funny opening this up. So if anyone is interested in doing a steampunk theme diecast build, I'm going to start experimenting with that and pushing my boundaries a little bit and trying something very new. Should be fun. I ordered 1 meter of chain. They sent me 2 packages of 3 each. And these are ultra cheap watch repair pieces, but I think they're going to look good in silver and bronze and gold just as add-ons to any steampunk build. Finally, been watching all you guys use the magical Flitz metal polish, and I got some of my own. Happy to open that up. Some long-awaited styrene rods to make roll cages and things like that on my customs. And here's a package of, I don't know, I think I got about 100 little tires for matchboxes, because you always need a few more of those. From eBay, I ordered this Super Kings tanker with a cab, and you know what I have in mind for this? I kind of got hooked on Gaslands with the last couple of builds sponsored by the Three Blind Mice and Jim Silva, and I'd like to make a full war rig out of this one. So that just arrived, and I had actually ordered another Super Kings tanker, forgot about this one, and it's another possible option for the same idea. Might have dueling war rigs coming up soon, or I might do something different with one or the other of these. This is actually a non-matching set. That's a plastic tanker that I've got, but it's the same scale size, and so when it's all done up, you'll never know. This is new water-soluble resin for my 3D printer. I had absolutely run out and was unable to continue 3D printing until now. I'll show you what's in this box soon. And JDC's in the house. Boom, Modge Podge. Jay, remember I was watching you do an outstanding little diorama, and I said, I gotta get me some of that, and Amazon had it. And it came the same day as some of my weathering powders And here's a new power drill, 20 volt with 2 batteries, because my 10-year-old one just gave up the ghost and I had to replace it. Now this is a set of monoblock 1/64 size wheels in various colors and styles. And I really waited a long time. I think these were ordered in October, November, so they may well have arrived in December. We'll never know. But I just got them now, so I'm pretty well stocked up with 1/64 scale wheels, giving me a lot more options now to do some nice custom jobs. All the way from China. This is not expensive. It's a rather cheap knockoff airbrush. I've already got 2 or 3, but I wanted to experiment with this trigger style. So I'll be hooking that up soon and seeing how it works. And if I'm proficient with that, then one day I'm going to upgrade my airbrush equipment to something a little better. This is a German brand, Nigrin, and it's just a degreaser that I use on my real car. Here's some tin snips for cutting the wire mesh that we often put in place of the windshields on our Gaslands cars. And here comes the longest piece in this whole mail call. It's a new iPhone tripod. There's the tri part of the pod right at the bottom, and that's just for moving around the room and filming things from various angles. We're all familiar with the Tamiya brand paints. These are what I call consumable items because you always run out of these. They're so small, every car needs some black highlights and a couple of high gloss and a flat black. And a tip from my friend Martin Dare's Dinky Restorations. He just used these push pins to make some VW hubs, and I'm going to give that a try. And also another tip from Martin. He said, try these sanding sticks from the beauty department instead of paying big bucks for the special modeling brand. So I put on a hat and sunglasses and went in. It was 99€. And I saw this makeup. Hey, rust color, dirt, sand. I've used paprika and cinnamon. It's cheaper than Tamiya weathering powder. I'll try it out. Might work. Might not. We'll see. This is some resin nail gel for wheel flare extensions. Is my wife worried about me? A little bit. But it's all for the hobby, guys. Trust me here. This is the last package of the mail haul, and a very special one, and the most recent one to arrive. And I was most delighted to get this full package from Samed Wheels in the case. And it is a sample of 1 or 2 sets of everything they've got. I'm happy to say that Samed Wheels is going to be a sponsor of my channel. I reached out to them and I was very fortunate that they said, sure, we would like to cooperate together with you. They don't pay me for this, but I got some product to use on my channel, and I certainly will give them an honest review and show you all of the different varieties. You're familiar with the name, and now I'm able to give you some tips and recommendations from my personal experience. So thank you to Samed Wheels. Hallelujah is the word. I waited a long time for these, and I thank you for watching with me today, and I hope you enjoyed it and that you'll come back soon and often. It's coffee time.